this video, we will show you how to use Venturz AI Assistant. You can use it for website creation, building chatbots, live chat support, content creation, image and video generation, and more. Create a landing page using Venturz AI Assistant. To get started, go to Pages and click the Create Page button. Let's begin with no-code templates. Choose any pre-built template that fits your business. Once you've selected one, click on it, and an option for AI will appear with a pre-added prompt. Now, just paste your custom prompt into the field, and the AI will automatically adjust the template to meet your needs. Once the page is created, the AI will send a message confirming that the new page has been added to your Pages section. Open the new page, and you'll see that you can easily customize it using our drag-and-drop builder. You have complete flexibility to adjust the layout, text, images, and more. This allows you to fully personalize the landing page to match your brand and business needs, with no coding required. Create a landing page with custom AI code. Click the Create Page button and select Custom AI Code. Once you've selected this option, the AI will appear with a pre-added prompt. Next, paste your custom prompt into the field, and the AI will start creating a custom-coded landing page. Once the page is created, the AI will send you a message and add the landing page to the Pages section. Click to open the newly created page, and you'll see the AI-generated landing page. The page will be automatically populated with the content you described in your prompt, and it will be formatted according to the AI's understanding of your needs. You can review the layout, design, and content to ensure everything is aligned with your business goals. Create a no-code landing page with AI. Click the Create Page button and select Custom AI Code. Once you've selected this option, the AI will appear with a pre-added prompt. Now, remove the pre-added prompt and paste your custom prompt into the field. The AI will then start creating a no-code landing page. Once the page is created, the AI will send you a message and add the landing page to the Pages section. Here is your no-code AI-generated landing page. The page is fully customized based on the prompt you provided, and it's ready to go live. You now have complete control to tweak the design, content, and layout as needed. Now, we'll show you how to create custom chatbots, enable them, and set up automatic AI replies and suggestions from our assistants. Go to Settings, then AI Assistants. From here, you can create and set up chatbots as per your needs. Click on the plus icon to create a new chatbot. Then, add your chatbot's name and fill in the About and Instructions sections. I have pre-prepared details for this chatbot, but you can customize them as needed. Scroll down to add resources for the chatbot. From here, you can select the resources. For now, I've chosen to add PDF documents and web pages from the drop-down menu. Here, you can add the links to the resources for which the chatbot will pull data. Next, you can set your chatbot's category from the drop-down menu and choose whether to provide access to the chatbot for private or public responses. Now that we've added all the details, our chatbot is ready. From here, you can enable or disable the chatbot. Click the Save button to save the changes. Now go to Live Chat. Here, you can enable or disable the live chat. You can also customize the pre-added message for the live chat as needed. Click the Save button, and your live chat will be active on the web pages. Now, we'll show you how to enable AI replies and AI suggestions in the inbox. Now go to the inbox. At the bottom, you'll see an AI icon. From here, you can enable or disable AI replies and suggestions. For now, we have enabled AI replies. Check how the AI responds to the messages. We've received a message from a user, and the AI will reply to the message perfectly with its response. Now, we'll enable AI suggestions and see how it works. We've received a message from the user, and you can see the AI suggestions pop up. You can reply using these suggestions, which helps save time and keeps the conversation relevant with customers. Now, we'll show you how to use Venturz AI for content creation, as well as image and video generation. Now go to AI Assistants. From here, we'll show you how to create content, images, and more using Venturz AI. First, we'll create a blog. Simply write your prompt, and the AI will start writing the blog for you. Here's the blog written by Venturz. Now, we'll create an image for the blog. To create images with Venturz AI, simply write your prompt, and the AI will generate the image based on it. You can also create videos and presentations using Venturz AI.